JSON files do support array of objects. True, false. The correct answer is true. While structuring a JSON file, objects can be made like a value against a key. Objects within objects are not supported. Arrays cannot have objects. Key names can also be objects. The correct answer is objects can be made like a value against a key. JSON can be validated using the following online website: JSONval.com, JSONlint.com, JSONvalidator.com, JSONrules.com. The correct answer is JSONlint.com. A good website for testing and editing JSON online is w3schools.com, jsonworks.org, jsoneditoronline.org, json.org. The correct answer is jsoneditoronline.org.